everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I filmed an intro for this video in my car, but I sat down to edit it and I saw that the file had gotten corrupted, so we're gonna do it again, hence why I am here. I had a lot of fun filming this video. I love thrifting. I go honestly more than I should. That means that I can do a lot more of these videos. So if you enjoyed this, let me know. I can definitely do more. I would love to do more. I'm also doing a thrift haul, which I was originally going to include in this video. I realized that it would be so long if I did them both together, so I'm going to upload that tomorrow. So stay tuned for my thrift haul tomorrow, which has been very long awaited and I'm really excited for it. I had a ton of fun filming that as well. If you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe down below so that you always see my latest content. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
You don't even got nobody being honest with you.
I tried going to this Goodwill yesterday and they were closed, as you saw, but we decided that we're just gonna, you know, pop off again and try to go. And there were a bunch of high schoolers that are looking at me.
And it's awkward, so bye.
Hair and diamonds, chair and diamond, and curtsy and pretzel.
Wait, what?
Is it a yoga thing? I don't know. No.
What? Chair.
Oh, chair is a cheerleading thing.
Oh.
I don't know.
Sure.
What the others are. We're gonna go.
Cheerleading thing.
Look how many purses there are. There's so many. Oh, hi.
Hi. 4th of July. Who?
So I got two black satin purses yesterday, but I feel like this one's more wearable than both of them.
Ooh, yes.
But what I really like about Goodwill is their prices are like way better than a lot of
Thrifting will do that to you. Kind of vibe with it though. Tie-dye has been really in, and you know, waist connections also really, you know, relevant in society.
Waist connections like everywhere, because this is our trash company.
Really?
Yeah, like this is who picks up our trash.
Okay, then basically
So
get it.
though, you know, we rely on sanitation workers, and like this sounds like I'm joking, but like we don't give them enough things. Like think about what they go through. Oh, it's gonna be too small. Nope, actually it might fit perfectly.
I like it too.
I'm gonna have to cop.
You girl.
Even though it's like breaking, but whatever.
You know, it's a belt.
This dress is actually so pretty.
That is really
Like
pretty.
I actually really like this.
What was the original price, does it say? Okay, I actually really like it.
I have no use for it. You can't see it, but my jaw is on the floor.
That's so pretty.
I want to try. Oh my gosh, what size is it? This is a 6'2". Talk about shoulder pads. If I've ever seen them, I don't know if you can see. That's all like shoulder pad. This is actually like, I kind of like it.
I really like the color.
Yeah, it's a really pretty blush color. I just like, you don't see this type of like detail anymore.
And this one's kind of costumey, but so pretty.
Yeah, like this amount of intricacy and like just quality. Like you just don't see that anymore. If this was my size, oh my gosh.
So fun.
It is really fun. Now here is the real section. Aww. This is the good stuff. That is so cute. Aww. This is literally the one that I bought yesterday. Like the same brand and everything. That's crazy. Oh, nope. There we go. I love Goodwill, but I just wish that they were like more organized. Cause like all of this, like pretty much all the way back to that sign, is pants. But like they're not by size, so like I don't want to have to look through all of the pants just to find like the ones that are in my size. So it makes things kind of hard to find, but like I love Goodwill's selection, especially like their houseware stuff. I've always found, oh my gosh, my hair looks crazy. I've always found like really good glassware and stuff here, so let's see what they have in that section. This mug, I don't know, I guess it's for tea or sake maybe? It's got this like hand-painted Japanese writing. Matcha. It's really pretty. Matcha? Could it be for matcha?
I mean, I don't know. I just thought it'd be cute to have green in there.
I was gonna say, I know nothing about matcha.
This would be cute.
Pink glasses, these are cool. I'm not gonna take those out. Normally there's better stuff. They do have margarita glasses, which I've been wanting to get for Ben for a while, because he loves a good margarita, especially homemade. These are kind of cool, like fun, but the glass is super thin. We found one, oh my gosh, okay, I was gonna say, we found like a year ago ones that were like really fun at another thrift store a while ago, and they're like $3 a piece, but we decided not to get them, and I still regret that because they were so cute, and we'll probably never find ones like that again. So now I've been kind of like, I always look for them every time I come to the thrift store. So when I do find a good one, it'll be fun. This is America. You can drink your coffee and shoot it too. I really like this. It's so pretty. San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. It's got a little crack in the frame there, but otherwise, it's a really pretty piece of art. It's a lot more pink than it looks right now. This painting is literally me and Lulu.
And Sunny, or what was the bird's name?
Oh my gosh. I used to have parakeets. Yeah, and Sunny. This song, freshman year me, literally was obsessed. This is like my favorite song for like 2 years. This song single-handedly gave me a crush on Justin Timberlake. Justin Timberlake? Okay, well, we secured the bag.
Yay! Hey Frank. Should I go shred it with them?
Yes.
I don't know how to write it really, but
yeah, there's some, I don't know if you can see them. There's some skater boys over there. I feel like I could make it look kind of
I like the idea.
I feel like this one has big potential. I don't know, like jeans.
You have a talent, because I would see that and I'd be like, ew.
I mean,
but then you pick it up and I'm like, wait, I see it. I don't know how you do it.
Found a lot of stuff so far.
All black and white.
Oh my gosh, it is all black and white.
And the pink. When mine are powder puff girls.
I like
What is it?
one shoulder. I honestly kind of want to try it on.
I'm so confused.
I just want to see like what it even looks like on a person.
Well, that is basically you in a shirt.
I mean, I am a horse girl at heart. What can I say?
I like Subarus.
You do like Subaru. This jacket is really ugly, but I think this as a tank has really big potential. It's kind of like, you can't really tell, it's like got purple in it. These are actually really cute. I want to try them on.
I think they especially look good with
The jeans.
your socks.
Uh-huh. Bacon and eggs.
Wakey wakey.
Wakey wakey. They're really slippery. I kind of like these. I feel like the ankle is like too big though.
Yeah, I like the square toe though. Those are so ugly. Oh my. They like give me creepy vibes.
Purses? Maybe.
Put it on a good outfit. Let's see.
Maybe.
Ooh.
It's kind of cute.
I like it. Ooh. Wait, that's really cool. Cute.
So I think I'm gonna pass on this one just because the color is kind of weird. Like, I like it. Like, it's really showing the purple right now, but there's also kind of like a weird, like a moss green that I don't really like.
Why do I kind of like it though?
Yeah, I do kind of like it. I don't wear crop tops, really. I think I'd cut the sleeve off. I don't know, I kind of like it, but I feel like I'd never wear it just because I'd be uncomfortable. I'm getting really big Belle vibes from this, like Disney princess. It'd be kind of cute if you ever wanted to do like a Belle Halloween costume or something. It looks like it could be from Princess Polly or something, but I think I'm gonna pass on it. I feel like it just kind of looks weird on me. You can definitely tell the difference between my stuff and Anne's stuff. It's actually really funny. I swear I like don't wear color at all. So I'm now in my own car, as you can see. I took Anne home because she has plans with friends, but there are still 2 other stores that I want to visit. Well, they are already closed, so I guess to the next place we go. Let's try this again. Stop numero dos. Need a wedding dress? They have plenty. I just found the cutest vanity. I like actually cannot believe that it's at a thrift store. It's like this gold with glass, matching stool. It is absolutely beautiful. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love responding to comments. Any sort of social interaction that we can all get nowadays is obviously for the better. Also, let me know if you would like me to do more thrift with me's, more hauls, anything else that you would like to see, any changes that I can make, etc, etc. I'm always down for constructive criticism. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!